Good morning, children. This is the video for workbook activity number 1 and 2. So, last week we have started the Coffee Cup editor lesson. In that lesson, we are going to discuss about web pages and creating websites. So, based on that concepts, the first two activity you have to do here. The HTML editor activity number 1 about the browser. So here look at this picture. The task here, what you have to do here, guess the browsers. So before you're going to do this workbook activity, you have to understand and you have to collect information about web browsers. So understand what is a web browsers. Web browsers are collection of informations. It can be text messages or paragraphs or images or video files. So websites is a collection of web pages. Web page is a combination of text and images. So this is the website and the web page. Browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer and Opera. UC browsers. These are the browsers we are using in mobile phone and desktop computers. Browsers and the companies that have developed Google Chrome, it's a product from Google, and Internet Explorer from the Microsoft company. So here what you have to do here, you have to write the browser names related to this picture. Okay, so look at these pictures. You have to write the name of the browsers. So it's a very simple activity. It's a general activity, not a lesson oriented. Okay, so look at the pictures. So there is a one car and other things you have to guess and write here name of the browsers. I hope you can understand, and just collect the informations in Google from Google. Write down the list of the browsers and its names, and you can match the names with these pictures. You will get the answer. It's a simple activity. Do that. You can Google just type the string browsers available. Name of the browsers, list of the browsers. Just type any string. You can get more information about the browsers from the Google. You can just read the pages, understand the browser names and its icons, and come to your book activity. You can get the answers. So this is the way you have to do the activity number 1. And second task here, pick up the first letters from the pictures and form the name of a popular search engine. Okay, so you know the famous search engine is Google and MSN and Yahoo search engines. So more search engines available. So here you have to collect the letters, first letters of these pictures and form name of the popular search engine. Okay, so it's a general activity. You have to see the picture and write the names and of these icons and write the related browser names, search engines names. Okay, so simple activity. You can do. I hope you know answers and you can do this activity. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will give a clarity about your doubts. Okay, so the way you have to do this activity, first collect the information about browser names and all the types of browsers and search engine. Just Google it, or you can refer your textbook, the Coffee Cup Editor first chapter. You will get the answers. Okay, so try it. You have to give your own answers. Okay, if your answer is wrong, don't worry, you can learn from your mistakes. Okay, so you can complete the activity number 1. It's browser names. I hope you can do this activity. Write the answers in your workbook and put the date of top of the workbook activity near activity title and complete this activity number 1. Okay, so give your neat presentations. Write the answers with good handwriting. Handwriting should be very legible. So complete the activity number 1. And the next activity we are going to see here, HTML editor activity number 2. Let me explain about the activity. In this activity, write the names of the element types in the blank and from the mixture of elements given in the box below. Sort it under the right type of elements. So here they have given 3 boxes. We have to write the name of elements, write the names of the element types and the blank, and from the mixture of elements given in the box below, sort it under the right type of elements. We have to sort, we have to write down the names, it's a group the order wise. Okay, so here you can see look at the second part of this image: text area, web address, header, image, and next row logo, email addresses, number, dates, spacer, phone number, footer, password. So these are the objects of the web page. Okay, text area, web address, header, footer. You can see in on websites there is one header, on title of the websites, and the footer, and the side you can see some list boxes, email addresses, number, text field, plain text. In websites you can see these combinations, you can see these objects controls in that websites. So for understanding about the websites, they are giving this activity. So do this activity. It's very simple. You have to write the elements, and under that elements what are the icons will come, names come. So 3 segments are given here. Okay, so example, text area. Okay, so after that text area, so here you can see text field, plain text. So like that you have to categorize and write down the element name and its answers. So next one, web address. Okay, so in web address, see the next one, header, footer. So some like that you have to order the these objects names and its controls names below mentioned here. So it's a simple activity. The activity number 1 and 2 are the general activities, so not related to your subjects. All you can do this activity. I hope you know the answers. You can search some answers. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will give clarity about this activity. It's a simple activity. So in this lesson, HoffyCup Editor, we are going to discuss about programming websites and designing HTML websites using HoffyCup Editor. Okay, so it's a simple activity, the 1 and 2. Write your answers with neat handwriting. Complete it. Don't be defaulters. Complete your writing task and submit your workbook. When you are going to submit your notebooks to class teacher, come to school. Okay, so any doubts you can ask me, you can approach me. Your doubts will be clarified. Today's live session, I will discuss with you about these 2 activities. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts. Participate and attend all the live sessions and switch on your camera. Show your face and say your attendance. The online classes, most of the students you are switched off your camera and not interested to show your face. Okay, it's not an online class. Show your face. Okay, so I want to see your eye contact and how you are sitting with the your interest, how much of interest you are showing in the studies. So the teachers, we want to interact with you. So before the session, you have to mark your doubts and just take a notes. This is the topic I'm going to discuss with my teacher. So this is the task given for me, I have to do today. So just take a notes and plan it. You can do your work without fail. Okay, so try it, write your own answers. If you make mistakes, don't worry, make a mistake, you can learn from your mistake. So complete the activity number 1 and 2 and read the textbook Custom HoffyCup Editor lesson 1. You can do this activity. So these 2 activities are as a pre-teaching activity, not related to subject concepts. Okay, so it's like a general activity. You can do this activity. Okay, just Google it. You can get more information from Wikipedia and other more websites are there. You can get answers. You can know something about browsers and websites and web pages, the other website creating programming languages. Okay children, complete the activity and don't be defaulters. Okay, and those who are not completed previous homeworks and assignments and homeworks, submit it, then only you will get your marks for internal assessment, or you will lose your marks. Clear? So any doubts, you can contact me. You can send a message to my WhatsApp number, or you can call to me. I will meet you all in my today's live session.